What is up, everybody? We have snow. This is a MotoStars video. We're going to be going over. We're going over crashes and close calls. We're going to try to utilize the plan method for all these situations so that we understand what we're doing. So if you're a new rider, pay attention because we're going over the Smart Rider motorcycle training system with scenarios. Okay, so everything that we're talking about is in the system. Links in the description for that. Free shipping for booklets and all this other stuff. Links in the description. Let's take a look. So we are in a snowy area. Nice U-turn. He's probably been practicing his Smart Rider drills. It's just that we got to be watching out for road surface hazards like going over ice in the middle of a turn. So go around this road surface hazard. Open lane pattern. Okay, this is a situation that we look for when we're out riding. I love the motorcycle GPS here, and that is a rock form mount. This is an older video, but rock form's been around for a while. Rock form is what I use. I love it. It hooks into the back right there. And I like the little sport clip it has, and there's magnets and all that stuff. Link in the description for a discount for that. But it's like a mini map, so you know when turns are coming up. I like it. Oh, loss of traction on the rear tire. Not a good thing. It re-grabbed. Very good. Pay attention to what's up ahead. Lane filtering, because everything stopped. Watch out for these big gaps like that. Yeah. So those big gaps is an opportunity for a car to switch over. So you might have to swerve into the big gap alongside the car that's also swerving in the big gap to avoid the car. Because there's not much we could do here. Open lane pattern, this car might want to switch over because that lane is slower. That's what it looks like. Might not happen. Let's take a look. We have a turn signal up ahead. You guys gonna slow it down. There's an open lane now, so maybe he does want to switch to the open lane. No? No, he just sped up. All right, remember this is 5 years old. Back in the day, they like to showcase, there, you finally switched. They like to showcase wild and outrageous driving when nothing really, oh, there it is. I thought nothing was happening until that happened. Got a little, what are you doing? Now we're really close on this guy. This might seem like we're about to get mugged. I don't like it. I'm gonna try to get out of here. Yeah, the dude's an idiot. So now you don't offer yourself an escape if you're that close in the middle of the lane. I'd be off to the side, so I might have to jump the curb. All right, moving on. Angry Karen, idiot, almost sideswipes my friend. All right, so we're just chilling, we're cruising, talking to each other on our cardos. What do we got here? Intersection, we're going through it, and we're good. Okay, so hazardous areas and intersections. Truck's coming up ahead. Not gonna like that lane. He's gonna come into our lane, I bet. No. No. See, that's usually an open lane pattern. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. At least with those big trucks, if they do something that it's a business truck, you can always call it in. Unless he's like, I'm my own boss, so I could do whatever I want. But you might get a worker in trouble. Or it can affect their business quite a bit. You guys see that? It's a 40-mile-an-hour road, and we're going 80. That's anything 20 over in Arizona is criminal speeding. So we're literally doing double. You're gonna get your bike impounded, license possibly revoked, a bunch of other things. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Let the idiot in front get the ticket. Sierra Electric. Okay. He's an angry man. He's gonna get out of your car. See, that's why I'm saying it's not worth it. I didn't mute this. They muted it.
Happy New Year!
He probably has to get home and take a dump really bad.
Relax, it's a new year, man. What the?
Just let the idiot be in front.
Let it go.
There you go.
Let it go.
So you can talk to each other in your car. Just be like, let it go. We should have let it go a while back, but
Let it go.
we can let it go now, I guess. We ran across this lady from the forestry service, and her dog was ready to eat us. Interesting. If you're going to have your dog off leash at any point in time, you need to have it on voice recall, and it needs to be well trained for that voice recall.
Sorry about
these guys. No, you don't have to be sorry. All these guys are doing a good job navigating these holes of water. All right, here we go. Near crash after merging. That's an open lane pattern. Let me get out of the way for that. Car does not want to be stuck behind the other car. sees our lanes moving. Yeah, fast lane. Maybe it's backwards. This doesn't look like America. But, you know, they want to get to the open spot. We're in the open spot. There's a gap for them. They can't see us. It's unintentional blindness. I talk about it all the time. It's going to be hard to read, but because of the other text. But they're going to want to switch over. This is a pattern that we recognize when we're locating hazardous situations. It's a merging incident. But I call it the open lane pattern because it's an open lane, and it's a pattern of people wanting to come over. So if you see this, be cautious. You might have to swerve to the right. You might have to accelerate out, which would be a little bit more difficult because you're going to probably get closer to that white car, or brake and let them in. The whole goal is just not to get hit.
The biker didn't see a very important sign and almost hits the driver. He decided to blame the driver, but he quickly manages to understand the situation.
Swerved at last second, a little bit hard with all the water on the road, but we did navigate that. Could have done it a little bit sooner, but we did what we did. Didn't hit, so I consider that a success.
Video recording.
So what can we learn from it? Pay attention a little bit sooner.
My bad.
Watch out for intersections. People stop for no reason.
My bad.
See, it's just chill. So now we got a 3-point turn it when we could have been practicing our smart rider drills and learning our U-turns.
You need to put these things out in people that ride.
Truck side of the vehicle, but this red truck, there it is.
Jesus Christ.
Yep.
This
Yeah.
is what I hate about this.
Intersections, side of the vehicle, be very cautious about it. Understand maybe you have to move over to the right a little bit.
Right on out there, buddy.
Yeah. Or we can accelerate out of it. He's got double quad locks, no phones. Almost hitting a deer riding on the Blue Ridge Parkway. Where's Blue Ridge Parkway, everybody? Beautiful looking area. I just don't want to hear the deer. There's one. There's going to be another one possibly. Wasn't speeding. Handled it. Oh dear. You're not going to see that in time. All right, parking lot awareness. Anybody might be wanting to come out. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Don't get stuck behind vehicles like this because they want to back into their spot. He has his backup lights. Honk your horn or rev bomb at this point because it's hard to walk backwards. And he's going to park in the one with the grocery cart in it. All right. Stay away from people in parking lots. Close call by sitting in a car's blind spot. All right. Open lane pattern. Doesn't want to be stuck behind the white car. You might want to switch over to the open lane. Right? Yeah. So stay out of blind spots. Recognize the open lane. Let them in. It's in Virginia. North Carolina, Virginia. Nice. Approaching green light, the right lane. There's a car from my left. There's a side of the vehicle, so we're going to do a head check. It looks like we were wanting to switch lanes, but we couldn't because there was a car to his left, so he found the escape, and he's moving on. Handled it. It is what it is. He couldn't switch lanes. He tried, did head checks, but he wasn't going so fast that he couldn't do that. So he did a good speed. Almost crashed my new bike. Oh, no. Side of the cyclist, or bicycle, or motorcyclist. Good job with the brakes. That was good progressive braking. That was really good. So good job. All is normal. Maserati changes lanes. I slowly pass Maserati. All right. Looks like Florida. We're going to be passing the Maserati. Okay, it goes in the right turn only lane. Okay. What are we just going to... Are we excited about the Maserati? So he decided to go straight. Now he wants to come in because he realized he can't be doing that. So I would just let him in. It's like, oh, well, it worked. But, I mean, I would just let him in. I would have switched to the right lane and gunned it. Or gone. I wouldn't have to gun it, but I would just go. It worked. It is what it is. Just got to watch out for idiots. Side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle. Another one. Side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle. Be cautious, getting ready for those brakes when you see those sides of those vehicles. Now we're in a group ride. Everyone in this video is fine / alive. That's good. That's good. I mean, they're riding motorcycles. I hope they're alive and fine. I'm assuming something's gonna happen. So we're going about 85 miles an hour at this point. Oh, how's everyone alive and fine? 85, that was 85 miles an hour. We're going 132 kilometers an hour. That's roughly 82 miles an hour, 81 miles an hour. So we're all cruising. We have a left turner. Or somebody collided. I don't know. Maybe somebody was passing. I don't know. But that person has a passenger on their bike. So we have at least 2 motorcycles down. So that's at least 2 people already. Now 4. And then 5 for us. Yeah, this is where part of the Smart Rider motorcycle training system is that we remain calm, ensure on safety, stopping major bleeds. We're part of the incident because we did this. So we're gonna try our best to not be, incapacitated. But that guy's not doing good. That's the only person that did any good. So there's a guy on the ground. He's probably the one that got launched from that bike on the right. So he's not doing good. We gotta try our best to avoid stuff, but sometimes it happens, and there it is. Not good.
This biker was really lucky because such a speed combined with a driver's mistake could have ended very badly.
We got somebody in our mirror. Oh no. This is usually where it starts. There's the side of the bus. Brakes. Whoo-wee. What the heck? Just go. I had to get off the bus. I have to take a shit. Yeah. Could have slowly moved over. Didn't have to cut across. Everyone got close. The person's still going through. Take it nice and easy. Once it's clear to go, then you go. Not a big deal. This happens all over the place. Now we're going to watch it again from a different point of view. Okay. Okay, let's yeah. I don't care. Okay. Intersections. Pay attention, everybody. Locate that this is a hazardous area. Assess any relevant threats like left turners. Anybody still in the intersection. Green does not mean go. It means you have an opportunity to go when it's safe. It's as simple as that. So if you don't understand that, just eat some pizza. Check out the links in the description. Subscribe, whatever you want to do. I am here every Wednesday or every Tuesday, every week to show you guys what not to do, how to do it. Check out the other channel, Motorcycle Training Concepts. I teach you how to do these things. I'll see you guys later.